Welcome to our cabin in Big Bear, where I'm going to be doing a video review for you of my new vacuum cleaner. I can lift this with one hand. That is how lightweight it is. Okay, what can it do? Let's see. Fairly easy to use. You have a release button, and I'm barefoot, remember, so that you can adjust it. And the on-off button is right down there. Okay, my husband's sleeping upstairs, so he's gonna love this. But this guy cleans. Done. We just did our living room floor, and we want to clean the canister. There is a canister release button. That's easy. Okay. Whoa. It works. I love this vacuum cleaner. It is user-friendly, which, as you can see from Music Mama, she needs. Then he snaps back into place, and he's ready to go. Thank you, Amazon.
Okay, the Amazon vacuum. It does have great suction. It's a little too good though. It is short. I'm short, but it is very short. I'm only 5'4", thought it would not be a problem. The reason it is a problem is because even on a shag rug that's not super shaggy, this is a brand new rug, it won't go forward when I turn it on. You have to go down like this to get it to go. I'll show you. Go down. So yeah, that's a problem. I have to get another vacuum now. Hardwood, it's fine. A low pile wool rug is fine. But if you have an area rug that's gonna, like a rubber backed, or it's not a huge rug, it will suck right up into the machine and smell burning and everything. So this is not going to work out for me.
Okay, so it's on. I just plugged it in, and here is where you can tap to release, and here is the button to turn off, and nothing. I mean, it will not turn off. I can even come down here and use my hand. Nothing. Yeah. So now I have to come over here, which is really not good, and unplug it. And now it's off. So, yeah.